What's up, everybody? It's Mateo from Alchemist Ventures, where we help artists grow, brand, and market worldwide. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your Instagram page into a musician Instagram page like this one and like this one. This has been a highly requested video ever since we made our video on how to promote your music on Instagram. So if you haven't seen that video already, I highly suggest you do so because it's our most popular video on this channel and it's helped tons of artists. Now, what are the benefits of turning your page into a musician page is the fact that you will have fan insights. So you'll have data and analytics on who your fans or followers are on your Instagram account. So before we get started with the tutorial, make sure to follow us on Instagram, Alchemist Ventures, and subscribe to this channel. Helps the channel a lot, and we're always dropping great videos on helping independent artists. So let's do this. All right, everybody, the first thing you want to do is you need to have a Facebook account, a personal Facebook account, because you're going to have to make a Facebook musician page. This is the only way you're going to be able to turn your Instagram account into an Instagram musician account. So log on to Facebook, your personal Facebook, then hit pages on the left hand side and hit create page. And then you want to hit business or brand, hit get started, and just name your page. So for us, I'm just going to put Alchemist Ventures. Add a category to describe your page. So this is where you would put musician/band or just musician, or you could put obviously band, or you could put artist. It doesn't really matter as long as you pick a category that fits your personal preference. I like to go with musician for artists that I talk to, simply because artists can vary. It can be, as you can see here, makeup artists. It could be, painting artists, etc. But musician, it always refers that you do music. I'm gonna put record label real quick just because I'm just gonna make one for this YouTube channel right now. So then you want to upload a profile picture. So make sure you have a great profile picture, and like we covered in our EPK video, it's very important that you do have high quality images. So you could have them on your EPK, you could have them on your YouTube, you could have them on your Facebook page, and of course your Instagram page. So we'll skip that for now. Add a cover photo. Very intuitive, very simple. It is what it is. It's a cover photo. Make sure you have one on your Facebook page. So once you've created your Facebook musician page, now we could go to Instagram, log in, and convert that into an Instagram musician page. So let's go do that. Okay, everybody, now open the Instagram page and log into your Instagram account. And you're going to want to hit edit profile right here. And you're going to want to try Instagram business tools. So we're going to hit continue. We're going to learn about your followers, continue. And then we're going to choose a page. As you can see right away, my Alchemist Ventures record label page pops up, and that's the one I want to connect it to. So if you just created your Facebook musician page, which you should have done so, because that is the first step into having an Instagram musician page. Now set up your business profile. Place your most professional email on this section right here, because it's going to be a button that people can actually click and it'll open them immediately to be able to send you an email. So I suggest you create a new email and put it alongside of your artist name, then management, or have a management email account, something that professionals can actually contact you in, whether that be an artist looking for a feature, whether that be a record label executive, whether that be PR, whether that be a marketing person. Just have a very professional written out email. You can even put a phone number here. I don't really suggest that. However, if you are a Superphone user, this is a very handy place where you could put that Superphone number and fans can directly contact you, and you could build engagement with them and upsell on merch and bundles, etc. Address, I don't suggest you put your address. So hit done. As you can see, my Instagram account has now converted into a business account, and I have a record label branding on my Instagram. So I hope everybody enjoyed this tutorial. It's very simple. Again, you have to create a Facebook musician page before you're able to have a Instagram musician page. There's no way to skip around that. And it's important that you have a Facebook musician page because there's 2 billion users on Facebook every single month. So that's a huge audience you probably have never reached if you haven't made a Facebook musician page already. So make one and then convert your Instagram page into a musician page. Then look into those fan insights, learn who your audience is, understand what posts are doing better than others. You could use that data to create Instagram ads to promote your music or your single or that latest album, and really start marketing your music a lot better on Instagram. And again, if you haven't watched our video on how to promote your music on Instagram, I highly suggest that you do so. It'll be linked in the description, and it'll be one of the end screen cards you'll see very shortly at the end of this video. It's our most popular video on this channel for a great reason. It's helped tons of independent artists, and we've gotten a lot of followers from it. So if you take those tips, you can gain a lot of new fans and followers from it as well on your Instagram account. So make sure to leave a comment if this tutorial helped you. What topics do you want us to cover next on this channel? And please subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. Hit that like button, hit that thumbs up button. Thank you everybody for watching. Peace.